Well, we use chat ops again. We use in Slack so people can say, hey, we want to pull up a new Moda, blah, and we want to see what's going on. We can just here, issue a couple of commands, things pop up. Actually, largely just think of Slack as our command line interface, and just whatever Heroku does, Moda does. So if you want to see what's going on, inspect it, you can just run a command. It'll point you over to the cluster, see what's going on. You can issue some commands in there, and it'll tell you the status of it. Catalog, what we call our internal service management tool, catalog, is where you go and check out the SLOs, see how it's running, that nature. What I've told people is if you want to interact with your code and Moda, try to go use chat ops. If you want to see what's happening, you need to go to catalog. The chat ops should eventually pull all the catalog data as well, so you can go bidirectional. But for the most part, I just think of this as replicating 90% of what Heroku does.